Hi, it's Naina from Sri Lanka, English for Beginners. I'm gonna create a video series to help beginner English learners to start their English journey. So this is not something like English coaching or teaching. I'm not a teacher. I'm just trying to support beginners to start their journey, and I'm not gonna focus on grammar or how to be perfect and how to be accurate when we speak. I'm just trying to help you to open your mouth, start to speak. So how to do this? So you can think about little kids, how they are learning their language. So little by little, word by word, how they are doing this, you can think. So you can start your journey as well. Don't think about others, what others think about you. Don't try to be perfect. Just give yourself some freedom to make mistakes. So then you can start your journey, and one day you'll rise for sure. So let's get started. And today I'm going to tell you how to introduce yourself. What should you do? How to get start? So let's consider about this. First of all, you have to be prepared. Sometimes we want to join with meeting sessions of English learners. Sometimes we want to speak with some foreigners. We do love doing these activities, but in the beginning we all struggle how to introduce ourselves, how to speak, how to get started. So many people don't know what to do. So this video is gonna support you how to do that, to learn how to do that, how to get started. So first you have to be prepared. So you can write down some notes. You can write down some notes, short introduce or long introduce. You can write some notes, who you are, what you are interested in, and sometimes it depends which field you're gonna join. Maybe it's about English learning or it's about your profession. So it depends which field you're gonna engage with. So that's why first of all you have to be prepared to introduce yourself. Try to record yourself, record yourself in front of a camera. Try to do that speech. Try to introduce yourself by recording. It helps us to improve our speaking skills and also boost our confidence. Or you can do it in front of a mirror. It helps us to do it confidently. Practice makes us perfect, but this is not about being perfect. I mean, you can do it confidently once you practice it as much as you can. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So try to be prepared before doing something. So this is really important. Write down some notes and also practice. Do some practice as much as you can. Try to practice it. So that's all. Thanks for listening. Bye.